You sit down to work. The deadline is closing in. The task is right in front of you. And yet, you reach for your phone, check emails, or scroll aimlessly. Sound familiar? That's not laziness. It's not a lack of discipline. It's your brain, hijacked by ancient survival wiring, that makes procrastination feel irresistible. And the shocking truth, the harder you push yourself to just do it, the deeper you dig the hole. Today, we'll dive into the neuroscience of procrastination. And I'll show you how to trick your brain into action using scientifically proven methods. Procrastination is not a time management problem, it's an emotional regulation problem. When your brain perceives a task as difficult, boring, or uncertain, it activates the amygdala, the same part that processes threats. Instead of rationally starting the task, your brain says, avoid pain now, deal with consequences later. Dopamine also plays a key role. Your brain craves immediate rewards, not distant ones. Writing a report that pays off next week? Low dopamine. Scrolling social media and getting instant novelty? Huge dopamine spike. What are some hidden reasons? Number 1. Perfectionism. Many procrastinators aren't lazy, they're perfectionists. Your brain delays because starting means risking failure. Number 2. Task overload. The prefrontal cortex, which handles focus, hates vague goals. Your brain shuts down, not because you don't care, but because it doesn't know where to begin. Number 3. Emotional pain loop. Studies show procrastinators feel guilt, shame, and stress for avoiding tasks. Ironically, these emotions make the brain crave even more escape, leading to the procrastination spiral. So how to trick your brain into action? Number 1. The 5-minute rule. Tell yourself you'll do just 5 minutes. Once you start, your brain shifts from threat mode to action mode, and momentum takes over. Number 2. Break the task into micro steps. Instead of write a report, start with open laptop, write title, make outline. Each tiny win gives your brain a dopamine hit, turning work into a reward loop. Number 3. Reframe pain as pleasure. Instead of thinking, I have to go to the gym, think, I'm building a stronger body for future me. Your brain thrives on stories. It's how you shift avoidance into motivation. Number 4. Use implementation intentions. Say, if it's 7 p.m., then I'll study for 20 minutes. Number 5. Forgive yourself. Studies show self-forgiveness reduces future procrastination. Shame fuels avoidance. Compassion resets your brain. In essence, procrastination isn't a sign of weakness, it's your brain's outdated wiring. But the moment you stop fighting it and start working with your brain, you unlock focus, action, and productivity. So next time you catch yourself procrastinating, don't ask, why am I so lazy? Ask, what does my brain need right now to get started? Because once you learn to play this game, path procrastination loses its power forever.